Hi and welcome to the channel The Code School. To receive the latest video, kindly subscribe to the channel. I'll be demonstrating how to deploy WordPress site within 5 minutes. I'll be also publishing a first blog which will be completely live. Let's get started. Please log into your AWS Management Console using your sufficient permission to launch the EC2 instances. From the services, locate the service EC2. Click on the EC2 and land up in the EC2 dashboard. You can choose the region that you want to deploy in. I have selected Ireland. Click on running instance. Click on launch instance. Here in the search box, type WordPress and hit enter button. Click on the first link which comes up with the results. It will load the couple of images which has the free tier eligibility. So you can select the first one. So I'm going to select the first one. It will show up the different instance type and EC2 instance charges according to the deployment. It comes under the free tier eligibility, but over the free tier eligibility, users guidelines are given. So if you exceed it, this is what the charge is going to be. So you, by continuing, you are accepting that. Here you can go with the recommended size, or if it's just for a demo, as I'm doing, you can select the T2 micro, which is under the free tier. The rest of the things you can skip, just to show you. Just following all of the screens to show you what configurations in a security groups will be shown. So security group, other than default SSH, it's going to also have the HTTP and HTTPS port open for public. Launch it with the key pair if you have existing, otherwise create one. And you will see the EC2 instance is getting instantiated. Installations and provisioning of the services softwares are in progress right now. It is going to take a couple of minutes, so I'll just pause the video and come back once it is ready. So it is ready now. Once it is ready, it will be not showing you the initialization states in the status checks, and everything else will settle down here. You will not see any progress is happening. Once your instance is up and running properly, you can click on the actions by selecting the instance, and from the instance settings, locate the get system logs. It will open the system logs, and you will be able to see the user and password, scrolling a bit towards the down. And once you're just about to hit the bottom of the whole log trail, you should be able to see the user ID and password. So you have to just take the password, and user is going to be, username is going to be user, so you can note it down somewhere, and close this with the IP address which is allocated, the public IP address or the public DNS, either of it. You can copy it and open in a new tab. Hit the enter button, and it should show you the default blog page, home page. of the block site that is provisioned inside the EC2 instance. So it is ready to use. Now just append the URL with the slash wp hyphen admin. This will let you get the login of the admin user. You can say user as a username and the password that you have copied from the system logs, and click on the login. So here you land up. You can click on the posts. It will show you the default post that was showing earlier. So let's open, which will give me the view of the live blog site, this one. And here is the admin account which can handle this stuff. So you can trash this one as we do not need it, so you can delete it if you want. So you can trash, and you can say add new post. Just to save some time, I have opened one article which has the topic like 20 secrets to living a happier life. So I'm going to just copy it, but I'm not going to publicly publish it. So I'm just going to play with it in a demo mode, and this is not going to be existing in a real time. So we'll be cleaning up. So I'm just copying the content and saving the time right now to launch my post, but this will not be my real post. This is something I got it from this site which is there. So there's something ready to eat. Sorry. So we can start writing here. Once we paste it, everything else should be pasted in a kind of formatted way. So let's see. And you refresh, images which copied, the text which copied, most of the part which was there in the website, it came up. It's just some of the formatting and some of the cleanup is required to be done, and rest of the things looks like this, right? So this is your website WordPress, which is ready. You can start posting your blogs. Don't copy the blog contents from other blog posts, but try to create your contents, and this is how you can create a launcher WordPress website within 5 to 10 minutes, right? So that's all, folks. If you have not subscribed to the channel, we'll request you to subscribe so that you get all the latest content from this channel at the very quickly, right? Thanks a lot. Happy learning.